Yes, good morning people. How are you doing today? Welcome to the video. Yes, it is a very early morning, but I thank you for tuning in. It's a little bit before 6 a.m. and today I'm going to take you guys through my day and a day in the life video of a entrepreneur, a very young entrepreneur. Keep in mind, today's not one of my typical days. It's one of those days where I have a lot of meetings. I have accountant meetings, I have coaching calls, and I have a lot of other errands I need to get done today. It's my responsibility to also make sure I fit in training today as well. So that's why I'm up very early this morning, because I need to train, get that out the way so I can finish the rest of my tasks. Now, this is not a typical day where I have to wake up at 5:30 in the morning, but I want to show you guys the reality of when you're working on your own, that you're gonna have to make some sacrifices, and you're gonna have some days where you're gonna have to wake up at freaking 5:30 in the morning, bust out a monster, and get shit done. Okay, when you're your own boss and you have your own business, you're gonna need to be responsible to get your tasks done. And so no one's gonna tell you that you have to wake up at 5:30 in the morning to get it all done. You have to decide to do it yourself. So those choices are hard, but they're not always like that. Today's one of those days where I have to be like that. Usually I'm up at 7 a.m. So another hour and a half would have been nice, but here we are, banging it out. We're gonna get this shit done, and I'm gonna take you guys through my day. So we're gonna first start off with this delicious monster, and then I'm gonna go have some breakfast, and then we're gonna go to the gym. Let's do it. See, man, the sun ain't even out. It ain't even out. Gonna unlock my car real quick. Sorry, this is the best part of my day right here. Watch this.
Working on a weekend like usual.
Boom. Setting it up. Let's get this day going, man. Alright, y'all, we are at the gym. We made it. We are at threshold right now. So we're gonna go through my training day today. It's probably gonna take me about 2.5, 3 hours or so. So we're gonna hit it, we're gonna get into it, and I'm gonna show you guys some clips all the way through. If you guys didn't know, I train for strength. I'm an athlete for Olympic weightlifting, so strength training is hard. It's not your typical bodybuilding type of day or anything like that, or just curls or anything. So enough talk, let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so just like that, session's done. Had a really good session. Better than I thought for waking up at 5 a.m. in the morning. So now I got some meetings to attend to. I have a meeting with an accountant, so I have to get to that. And then get home and get some more work done. So let's go.
Because this journal entry is coming in, it's going to include that deposit into your bank.
Alright guys, so what's up? I just finished up my meeting with my accountant. Pretty smooth meeting, everything's good, and then now I gotta head back home because I gotta run a couple of errands. I need to set up utilities for my new apartment, get the keys to my new apartment, and then I got some coaching calls I gotta do, and another accounting meeting as well, so with a different accounting software. So let's get that shit done. It's like 12:30 right now, so heading back home right now. I still got like a 30-minute drive back home. So yeah, see you guys there.
So how would I know that a gold ink would sell?
Well, you don't know exactly, but it's about finding a hole in the market that's missing. The ink is gold and no one else has that. That's niching down, you know, and then your outside design can be gold and silver or whatever you did. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, so I got most of my meetings done. I still have one more at 6 p.m. today, but right now I'm working on optimizing my ads a little bit here. Now, normally I like to optimize my ads once a week, usually on Mondays. Okay, so that gives me time to see everything from last Sunday all the way to Saturday, and then Mondays when I get the reports and I really look at everything over, change my ads, change my campaigns, adjust my bidding, add more keywords, take out keywords, all that good stuff, all those optimizing things. But that's a once a week type of thing. It usually takes me anywhere between 30 minutes to an hour. And I'm sure when I have more products, this is gonna like take a lot more time, and that's when I'm gonna need to outsource things. But today has been just a lot of running around, getting things done, running through my meetings and stuff like that. Now, usually my days are not like that. It just happens this Mondays be packed. Like tomorrow, I know I'm gonna have just 1 or 2 tasks that I have to do in the morning, and then I'm gonna have the whole day to just work out, train, and everything, and that's really it. So this gives you a reality. Like today, I'm gonna have to finish all these calls and then have to edit this video tonight, and that's gonna take like 4 hours. But then tomorrow I'm only gonna be working maybe like a couple hours and then I'm done, like I'm good to go. So yeah, my hours are gonna be fluctuating throughout the week, but you guys wanna understand that when you're working on your own, you need to be responsible and hold up to the tasks that you give yourself, and you complete them no matter how much time it takes. So today is one of those days. It's gonna take a long ass time to finish everything that's on my list, and then tomorrow is gonna take not that long at all. So that's just a reality of being an entrepreneur. You're just gonna have really busy days and some really not busy days, but you're always finding but every day is productive some way by finishing your tasks. So I always recommend you guys just give yourself a to-do list with just 2-3 things to do, just a few things, execute them perfectly and as best as you can, and then move on to the next day. Don't stress over it. Move on, get to the next task. Alright guys, so officially everything is done. All of my calls and Amazon stuff is done, but now I have to edit this vlog right here, and I'm gonna end with showing you guys my schedule. So this app is called Toggle, and I use it online, and there's a phone app as well. But this basically shows a layout of how much I worked today, and how many hours I put in. So you'll see in the morning I have my accounting meeting, and then I had another accounting meeting, and then I had to optimize my account on Amazon, did a couple of coaching calls, and now I have to edit this video, which I know is going to start now because right now it's 7 p.m. and I'm going to keep going editing until like 11:30 to edit and upload. It'll be all the way up till 11:30. So it was a pretty long day, 10 hours, very minimal gaps, and then in the gaps of time on my schedule, that's when I'm just like eating basically, or cooking or something like that. So those are the parts you don't see. And I did a few other things where like I set up some utilities for my new apartment, and I went to my apartment to get some updates to see if I could move in, or if I could check out the place. They're still kind of like fixing some things up in there before I can go in, so did a few errands around there. Overall, it was not the most exciting day, but it was very busy, and those are one of the days that you can expect when you're an entrepreneur, and you're gonna have days that really not much is going on, and other days where you're jam-packed and you have things going on left and right. It's kind of crazy, but it's a realistic day. So it's not like I'm always doing shit, you know, or I'm always out there having fun, you know, living that entrepreneur life. Like, no, a lot of times I'm grinding and I'm out here doing the tasks I need to do. And then when the weekend comes, that's when I like to have fun, or when I want to take a vacation or want to take a break. I can do that anytime I want. And that's the fun of being an entrepreneur, is the freedom that you can get, because you can virtually do whatever you want, really. And then it's up to you to be disciplined enough to control that and know when it's time to work and when it's time to play. So I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys thought it was engaging, or gave you some insight of what it takes to kind of just work on your own and be your own person. If you haven't already, man, hit that like button. Come on now, hit that like button. And then if you like these videos, more vlogs, then I'll put some more up on there, okay? And maybe I could get some more exciting days. But other than that, I hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.